Okay, viewers, today we'll see the equation of circle drawn on the line segment joining the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 as a diameter. Okay, now let's see the figure. Okay, this is the figure of the circle. This is the center. Okay, now this is the diameter. Okay, now the point is a x1 y1, b is x2 y2. Okay, now we draw an angle. Sorry, we take any point p on a circle. Okay, now we join this point ap and we join bp. Okay, AP and BP is perpendicular, okay, because AB is the diameter. Okay, this angle is called semicircular angle and they made is an angle each other at right angle. Okay, that's why AP and BP is perpendicular. Okay, now see, now the slope of AP is, okay, the change of ordinate, that means y minus y1, and the change of abscissa. Okay, that means x minus x1. Okay, now see the slope of BP, that means slope of BP, that means y minus y2 divided by x minus x2. Okay, that means change of ordinate divided by change of abscissa. Okay, since AP and BP is perpendicular, then the slope of the multiplication of slope of these two lines will be -1. Okay, since AP perpendicular to BP, then we can write AP into BP equal -1. Okay, now y minus y1, the value of AP is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 into y minus y2 divided by x minus x2. This is equal to -1. Now by cross multiplication, okay, y minus y1, y minus y2 equal minus x minus x1, x minus x2. Okay, now changing the side, then we'll get x minus x1, there is minus, if this here, that will be positive, that means x minus x1 minus x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2 equals 0. This is the, which is the required formula. Okay, but x1, x2, y1, y2, we have to here AB is the diameter. The extremities of AB is A and B. We have to put the value of x1, x2, y1, y2. This is the equation. Okay, AB as the diameter. Equation of circle. Okay, equation of circle drawn on the line segment joining x1 and x2 as a diameter. Okay, that is the equation of circle. Okay, now we'll see an mathematical example. Okay, now see, okay, that will be clear. Okay, okay, now see, this is an example. Find the equation of circle drawn considering the straight line joining the points -4, 3 and 12, -1 as a diameter. Okay, that is the extremities of the diameter. Okay, that is minus a minus 4 3 and b is 12 minus 1. Okay, and p is any point. Okay, now solution. Okay, we know the formula: x minus x1, x minus x2, y minus y1, y minus y2. Okay, now putting the value. Okay, here is -4. Okay, that means x1. Okay, that is -4 and this is minus, that is +4. Okay, that is x2, that means 12 minus 12. Okay, that is y minus y1, y1 means 3. Okay, that is y minus 3, and y2, that means -1, that is -1, and there is minus, that will be plus. Okay, now multiplication, multiply these two term. Okay, that is x square minus 12x plus 4x minus 48. Okay, y square plus y minus 3 into y plus 1. That means minus 3y minus 3. Okay. Then we will get x square minus 8x plus y square minus 2y minus 51. Okay. That is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 51. That is the result. Okay. Which is our required equation of circle taking AB as a diameter. Okay. That is. Okay. I think you are clear. Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll see another theorem. Okay, now see. Okay, position of a point with respect to circle. Okay, let p x y y1 be any point and the circular x square plus y square equal r square or x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2pfy plus c. These two are the equation of circle. Okay, and there is any point p x y and there are some condition. Okay, now see. P of xy will be outside. This point will be outside of this equation where x1, okay, x1 square plus yn square minus r square is greater than 0. Okay, now we have to put here. See, P of x1, y1. Okay, now we have to put x1, y1 here. That is x1 square plus yn square minus r square. Okay, when the value of this is greater than 0, the point P x1 y1 will be outside of the circle. Okay, similarly for the second circle, okay, x1 square plus y square plus 2g x1 plus 2f1 plus c greater than or equal to 0. If there is a negative, that means less than 0, that will be inside of the circle. Okay, now see, P of x1, y1 will be inside of the circle if x1 square plus y square minus r square is less than 0. Okay. Similarly for the second circle, x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f1 plus c less than 0. Okay. If P of x will be on the circle, that means on the circle that will be x1 square plus y1 square minus r square equals 0. Okay, or x1 square plus y square plus 2gx1 plus 2f1 plus c equals 0. This is the condition. Okay, these three are the condition. A point P will be outside, inside, or on the circle. Okay, we have to remind it. Okay. If we see mathematical problem, then it will be easy, more easy. Okay, this is theoretical. Okay, now we will see mathematical problem. Okay, okay, I'm going to see, we will see mathematical problem. Okay, now see example. Okay, show that the point 76 lies outside of the circle. Okay, now given the equation. Okay, now the solution. Okay, now given x square plus y square equals 16. Okay, now we have to write in this format, x square plus y square minus 16. Okay, now we have to put the value of 7 and 6 here in replace of x and y. Okay, that is 7 square, the value of x is 7 and the value of y is 6 square, and that is minus 16. Okay, that is 69, which is greater than 0. Okay, the point 76 lies outside of the circle. Okay, because this is greater than 0. Okay, similarly show that the points 1 to lies inside the circle, this format. Okay, Now see solution. Now we have to put the value of x, y is 1 and 2. Okay, that is 1 square, 2 square, minus 2 into 1, minus 3 into 2. Okay, I say that is minus 2, which is less than 0. Okay, lies inside of the circle. Okay, the point 1, 2 lies inside of this circle. Okay, now this is example. Show that the points 3, 6 lies on the circle. Okay, similar process. Okay, given x square plus y square equal 45. Okay, now we'll write in this format x square plus y square minus 45. Okay, if we input the value, that is 3 and 6, the value of x is 3 and y is 6. Okay, that means 3 square plus 6 square minus 45, that is 0 equals 0, which is lies on the circle. Okay, these three are the condition. Okay, okay, viewers, no more today. Thank you for stay with us. Thank you, no more today.